Hook, have you ever wondered how those tiny acorns turn into towering oak trees? It's a fascinating process, but how does it actually work? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of acorns and explore the magic behind their growth. Understanding the acorn. What is an acorn? It's a seed that contains the embryo of a future oak tree. Parts of an acorn, let's break down its anatomy. Cap, this protective covering shields the nut from harm. Nut, inside the cap is the edible part, which contains the embryo and stored nutrients. Germination, this is the process of the embryo developing into a seedling. The germination process. Conditions for germination, acorns need specific conditions to sprout. Moisture, they require adequate moisture to soften the seed coat and allow the embryo to emerge. Temperature, a suitable temperature range is necessary for the metabolic processes to begin. Oxygen, the embryo needs oxygen to breathe and grow. Steps of germination. Seed dormancy, acorns often remain dormant for a period, ensuring they germinate at the right time. Seed coat softening, moisture breaks down the tough seed coat. Root emergence, the embryonic root, called the radicle, emerges first to anchor the seedling. Shoot emergence, the shoot, containing the leaves and buds, follows the root. The role of the cotyledons. What are cotyledons? They are the first leaves that emerge from the seed. Function of cotyledons. Cotyledons provide nourishment to the seedling until it can produce its own leaves and photosynthesize. Photosynthesis, the tree's energy source. What is photosynthesis? It's the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce their own food, glucose. How does photosynthesis work? Explain the process, including the role of chlorophyll and the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Growth and development. Primary growth, this is the vertical growth of the tree, fueled by the activity of the apical meristem. Secondary growth, this is the increase in the tree's girth, due to the activity of the cambium layer. Wood formation, the cambium produces new wood cells, both xylem, for transporting water and minerals, and phloem, for transporting food. The oak tree's life cycle. Maturity, as the tree grows, it becomes mature and capable of reproducing. Reproduction, oak trees reproduce sexually through pollination and seed dispersal. Seed dispersal, acorns are dispersed by various methods, including wind, water, and animals. New generation, germinated acorns eventually grow into new oak trees, completing the life cycle. Environmental impact. Habitat provision, oak trees provide important habitats for many species of animals. Soil erosion prevention, their root systems help to prevent soil erosion. Carbon sequestration, oak trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, contributing to climate regulation. Conclusion. Recap of key points, summarize the main stages of an acorn's life cycle and its importance in the ecosystem. Call to action, encourage viewers to plant oak trees or support conservation efforts to protect these valuable trees. Closing statement, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.